No clean at all. Let's go up the reflection.
Thank you.
Can I start? Yes, you can. My name is Barrister Hamza Nuhu Anthony. My presence here is for the representation of the defendants in this charge that Attorney General, in his humble wisdom, entered to discontinue these criminal charges against all the defendants. I want to categorically appreciate the effort of Kano State Governor. Kano State Governor has really tried, despite his shortcomings, but he tried in this aspect because he has sent his delegation, including the Director of Public Prosecution is here, the Director of Protocols is here, the advisors, medias are here, and other members of his crew are here.
He's also in Abuja.
And he's also in Abuja. He brought the vehicle all the way from Kano to take his people down to Kano State.
No, they're going by air.
Oh, they are going by air. Wow, this is a welcoming idea. I wanted to call the attention of federal government to immediately sack the Inspector General of Police. He did not deserve to be on that position. He should have been retired since 4th of September. And I don't know why. I don't know why they maintain his seat. And the National Assembly, they should consider their duty, their independent arms of government by virtue of Section 4 and also Section 4 of 7. They have to just make any law that will fit the proper condition of the general public. The issue that we have now, they are trying to amend or pass a bill for the extension of the Attorney General. So Inspector General, I'm very sorry, Inspector General. It's a slap in the eyes of the international. It never happened. It never happened. This is the first time. Please and please, they should maintain the provision of the law. By virtue of Section 214 of the Constitution, you are going to see the establishment of the Nigerian police with the position or appointment of Inspector General of Police. He should have retired since 4th of September. What is he doing? He has the junior officers. They can carry from the position. They can go up. They can be promoted. And these are the reason. He's staying the reason that was the cause or genesis of the long detention of these defendants. He carried them, or he gave instructions or directives to carry them all the way from Kano, to be prosecuted in Abuja. It's a state offense. If the alleged offense has been established, it is a state high court of Kano State that will try this matter, not federal high court. It's a protest. I never seen a protest has become a crime only in Nigeria. Mr. President, we beg you, in the name of Almighty God, you have to consider the plight of your citizens. We are in serious problem in this country. We have to abide by the law. You swear that you are going to follow the rule of law. And I don't know what is happening. Even the maintaining of this office of the Inspector General of Police is a big slap in the progress of this country. We are in a democratic government. We should be considerate. We have to know our values, values of the society, values of the citizens, values of the Nigerians. Must he be the one to control the affairs of the Nigerian police? Must he be the only one? He should be sacked. I call the attention. He should be sacked. We are not longer needing him. Thank you very much.
What do you want to do now?
It's on, the time is on.
Federal High Court. I'm at the Federal High Court.
My TV is on. TV is on.
The TV is on. Please see if you can see.
too. They don't carry them this or
Yeah, on it.
no, they must take them to court.
Hello.
Ah.
Yeah, well done. The TV is on.
Book only one courtroom.
Take this one well.
No, I just look, but you know from side where I went.
This answer just go just the take.
Can you see me? Can you see that?
He said he's coming down with their own lawyer. Falana is here, but they prefer to talk to their own lawyer. Falana is here, but Sanusi said he prefers us to talk to their own lawyer. So they are coming downstairs now.
So between him and already.
I will call later.